This is another challenge for me. I'll be using this 1000 naira to cook a party jollof rice. So I'm going to use this 1000 naira now to go and buy everything that I need for the jollof rice. So relax and wait. This is my blended fresh tomatoes with fresh pepper. This is my rice, 2 cups of rice. That's my crayfish, that's my onion. This is my spices. I have them at home before. Yes, this is my cooked fresh pepper and tomatoes. This is my tomatoes puree, and this is my sliced onion. This is my spices that I've mixed everything together. And now I'm putting the groundnut oil in the fire. Then I like to put Maggie inside the groundnut oil. Now I've put my onion, I'm stirring it. Now I'm putting my tomatoes puree. I have to mix it together. You can see the way I'm mixing it together. Then cover it for some time. Then you put your fresh tomatoes that you've cooked. Then you mix everything together. You allow it to cook for some time. Then you put your spices, that's your Maggie cube, your no Maggie cube, your curry, your thyme, your ginger, whatever. This is my tomatoes mix that I've cooked. I'm mixing it with the rice. Now you can add a little water to it to cook. The water must be above the rice. Allow it to cook. Then after it has cooked, then you can put your onion. Now it is ready. Food is ready. I used 1000 naira to cook this delicious jollof rice. I even gave my sister, like my 2 sisters and my brother, out of it. You see, 1000 naira can do a lot. Forget say economy hard. You can see in this video that I'm stepping it down with this 7 up 1000 naira to cook party jollof rice. Easy.